everyone, now we begin our first section of basic vocabulary. Now what is vocabulary? We all as speakers of any language, for you being Hindi, you have a list of words that are always there in your head or what we call as the mental lexicon. Now, what I am trying to do in this section is I am giving you new words about the very basic day-to-day things that you encounter or come across in life. For example, the first thing that we are going to do today is body parts. Now, we'll start from the top till the bottom. This of course is your hair, your forehead, your eye, your nose, your chin, your cheeks, your lips, your jaw, your ears. Fair enough? This is your neck. This entire thing is your neck. This is your throat. Now right behind the neck is your nape. N-A-P-E. Nape. This is your shoulder. Your elbow. Your forearm. Like your forehead. Your forearm. Your wrist, fingers, nails. And then you have your chest, your stomach, your waist. Going down, you have your legs, your knee, that is ghutna, your knee. And then you have your ankle, that is the arch, and your toe. Now these are the basic body parts. What I will do is, I will share a document with you with a diagram which you are supposed to label according to the body parts. Hope you have a good time.